completely visible to you?
Purna Tyagna, I think he has given.
No, I have not written.
I have written.
But no
And
I know
problem.
the verb, but
Okay, it
I
will
have
do.
not written.
Sir, the blackboard is partially visible to me. It's not completely visible.
Okay, I'm putting the tripod little back.
Okay.
Now tell me.
Yes, sir. From where you are writing, I can see clearly. Chodna. Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask this question. Ritu, make your mobile horizontal and double tap my face. Ritu, what should be the verb for chhodna or tyagna?
The verb for chhodna or tyagna should be abandon.
Correct. It is correct answer, but I am giving you another verb. Can anybody guess?
yes, the verb of chorna or tyagna should be
Quit.
quit.
Uh, Sarika, what should be the spelling of quit?
Sir, the spelling of quit should be Quit.
Renu, what should be the second form of quit?
So the second form of quit should be quitted. Q.
Okay, thank you. Aparna, what should be the spelling of second form?
The spelling of second form should be Quited.
It is wrong. Can anybody
Quit.
guess? Can anybody else guess the spelling?
Sir, the second form of the quit should be quit, na? Not quitted. Acha, quitted. So Quited. नहीं?
Okay. Renu, Ritu,
Sir, Q
Sir,
U
Quitted.
Q U I T T E D. हाँ.
Sarika, what should be the third form of quit?
Sir, the third form of quit should be quitted.
Thank you. Ritu, no. Aparna, what should be the spelling of quitted?
The spelling of quitted should be Quitted.
Thank you. Renu, what should be the spelling of third form of quit?
Sir, the spelling of third form of quit should be Quitted. Quitted.
Thank you. What is this written, guys?
Quiet.
Quite.
And can anybody tell me what is this?
Shant.
Sir,
This is
it is
noun.
noun.
No.
Now,
Quite.
adjective.
Uh, Renu, what is quiet?
So quiet is adjective. Quiet is an adjective.
Good. Ask the same question to somebody else and play a
Okay.
complete game.
Sarika, what is quiet?
Bhapi, quiet is an adjective. Aparna di, what is quiet?
Sarika, quiet is an adjective. Ritu, what is quiet?
Quiet is an adjective.
Ritu, you can ask me.
Aparna, what is quiet?
Ritu, quiet is an adjective.
Okay. I think I started asking Renu, right? Uh, Renu, where should we keep quiet?
So we should keep quiet where we are not sure about the things.
हमें
So
कहाँ पे शांत रहना चाहिए?
जहाँ जहाँ हम चीज़ों के लिए निश्चित नहीं हो, वहाँ पे हमें चुप रहना चाहिए।
करेक्ट। तुम लोग अगर नहीं समझ पाए तो समझ लो, इसके उच्चारण में अधिकतर लोग गलती करते हैं, क्वाइट क्वाइट बोल देते हैं, इसलिए हम ये अभ्यास करा रहे हैं। अब
Right.
ऑब्जेक्ट सबको बदलना है, एवरीबडी हैज टू चेंज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ओनली फोकस द pronunciation of quiet. Focus it. Renu ask.
Where children should keep quiet.
WH के बाद हमेशा क्या आता है रेनू?
Where helping verb. Where should.
Where
Where should children keep quiet? Where should children keep quiet? Sarika.
The Bhabhi, children should keep quiet when
ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन लगा दो ना
जी when sorry they should keep quiet when elders are talking about something important or serious matter.
बच्चों को कब चुप रहना चाहिए?
बच्चों को तब
सारिका, रेनू used where. Renu, you should change the WH word or change the Hindi.
ओके बच्चों को कहाँ चुप रहना चाहिए?
जी they should keep quiet when their teacher teach something or elders explain something important.
बच्चों को कहाँ चुप रहना चाहिए?
बच्चों को जब उनकी टीचर्स कुछ सिखाती हैं तब, और जब उनके बड़े कुछ समझाते हैं तब चुप रहना चाहिए. अपर्णा दी, वेयर नहीं, when should people keep quiet?
Well, Sarika, people should keep quiet at the hospital when some in a hospital.
दी लोगों को हाँ कहाँ शांत रहना चाहिए?
सारिका, लोगों को हॉस्पिटल में शांत रहना चाहिए. ओके रितु, why should people keep quiet on at a hospital?
Well, Aparna, people should keep quiet at hospital because patients were taking a rest there.
रितु, लोगों को हॉस्पिटल
रितु, तुम अपना सेकंड सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट सिंपल में बनाओगी तो प्रैक्टिकल लगेगा, क्योंकि तुम हिंदी में बोल रही हो रहते हैं.
Yes, sir. People should keep quiet in the hospital because patients were there.
तुम वर्क क्यों लगा रही हो रितु?
Because patients are there. Because
अब
patients
देखो,
are there.
हाँ देखो रितु, इस सेंटेंस में अगर तुम रिमेन लगा दोगी तो इतना खूबसूरत लगेगा. बी का ही
Because
रूप.
patients remain there.
ऋतु, लोगों को हॉस्पिटल में क्यों चुप रहना चाहिए?
वरना पेशेंट्स लोगों को हॉस्पिटल में इसलिए चुप रहना चाहिए क्योंकि वहां पर पेशेंट रहते हैं. Sir, whom should I ask?
You can ask me.
Okay, sir. Why should wives keep quiet?
If they really want to maintain their दाम्पत्य जीवन,
Sir, wives लोगों को चुप क्यों रहना चाहिए?
अगर वो वास्तव में अपने दाम्पत्य जीवन को मेंटेन करना चाहती हैं, they should keep quiet.
Sir, it is not like that. Yesterday, what happened? So I should not say in front of everybody, but I am sharing. I could not talk from 5 o'clock to still 8 o'clock to my husband, and when he comes up, then I go. Some work is there, so sorry. Till 8 I was working down, so I came up and he was going down. So I said ki nahi, now I have to take bath and all, so I'm not coming. You just have your dinner and all. So he waited there and he had his dinner. When I go down again by 9 o'clock, so he was coming up. So when I came after Sameti done everything, so it's like 9:30 and 10 o'clock. So for that one day it happens कि I could not talk because I was very busy. So मुझे तो घर आने का मन ही नहीं करता है. So his reaction was, sir इसलिए देखो क्वाइट रहने से. मैंने बोला भैया एक दिन बात नहीं करी तो क्या करें, I was busy. So it is like that.
In this mamla, in this affair, my husband is very happy about me. कि I haven't time to talk with him, and he remain happy always.
He remains happy.
Yeah, he remains happy all the time.
Have you written all? Okay, let's practice about this. To whom should I start the questioning? Who was the first?
Say to me.
Okay. Renu, would you like to quit smoking?
Yes, sir, definitely. I would like to quit smoking.
क्या आप धूम्रपान छोड़ना चाहेंगी?
हाँ सर, बिल्कुल मैं धूम्रपान छोड़ना चाहूंगी.
You can change the object if you want. You can
Okay.
pull the leg like I pulled your leg. You can pull the
Yes.
leg of anybody else.
Okay. Okay. Saika, would you like to quit backbiting?
Okay. Actually, I don't do this, but yeah, I would like to quit backbiting.
क्या आप पीठ पीछे चुगली करना छोड़ सकती हैं? नहीं, छोड़ देंगी. हाँ.
Would you like using?
हाँ, देना चाहे.
हाँ, छोड़ना चाहेंगी. हाँ.
हाँ भाभी, मैं पीठ पीछे चुगली करना छोड़ना चाहूंगी. Sir, can we change the chapter? Okay. Aparna Di, can teenagers quit the silly arguments with their parents?
Yes, of course, Sarika. They can quit the arguments with the parent. They can quit silly arguments with the parent. There is no need to argue. There's no need to argument with the parent.
Argue is the verb.
There is no need to argue with the parents.
ओके। डी, क्या टीनेजर्स अपने पेरेंट्स से सिली आर्ग्यूमेंट्स करना छोड़ सकते हैं?
हाँ सारिका, उनको वो छोड़ सकते हैं और उनको करना भी नहीं चाहिए। और ओके रितु, would you like to quit speaking Hindi?
Yeah, I want to quit speaking Hindi.
So quit it.
Okay, will do.
Complete the process, Aparna.
Complete the process.
क्या आप इंग्लिश इंग्लिश छोड़ना चाहेंगी? नहीं, इंग्लिश हिंदी बोलना छोड़ना चाहेंगी?
हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोलना छोड़ना चाहूंगी।
तो छोड़ दो।
Sir, would you like to quit tobacco? Sorry.
I would love to quit, but because I've been taking it for last 20 years, so I've been habitual. But I have tried a couple of times to quit it, and I got success. So whenever next I go for holidays, I will definitely quit it.
Okay, sir. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Sir, you can try. Sir, you can try Amla candy instead of tobacco.
It's a very
It
good
will be.
suggestion, Sarika. But my tasir is kaf tasir. You know, in Ayurveda, vat, pitta, and
It's
kaf.
and tough.
So I have cough, means I get tonsils and some problem here. So I cannot use Avla. I have tried a couple of times, but it does not suit me. Even your bhabhi has made Avla candy like this jar. There are, it is available in my house, homemade, bhabhi made. But my tasir is cough tasir, so no, I have tried and I got success a couple of times, but later on I made a little mistake and restarted. But next time I will definitely quit it. I know I can do it. Okay, let's come to the chapter. Renu, what have you quitted before your guru?
Sir, I have quitted non-veg and non-veg in front of my guru.
Guys, I'm using this preposition deliberately before. It's okay for a spoken in front of. You can see in the movies they use in front of, but I'm using before
Before.
especially. तो रेनू आपने अपने गुरु के सामने क्या त्याग दिया है?
सर, मैंने अपने गुरुजी के आगे नॉन-वेज त्याग दिया है. Okay. So, Sarika, what have you quitted uh, after marriage?
Okay, it is very difficult question. uh, Actually, I don't quit anything. I am as it is, who I am before
Uh,
the marriage and what I am
No,
after the
actually,
marriage.
Sarika, what happened in two families? There are lots of difference in like kitchen things also. What your mother prepares is not prepared here in your sasural, no. So you have to
Hmm.
quit so many things. Like wait, you can tell ki bhai I have quitted that. So you can go for that. Ritu, are you agree
Actually,
with me?
really,
Yeah, I agree with you.
actually,
We have
I
same
I
car.
have to think about this thing. Ki what I have quitted.
Okay, you
Actually,
must have quitted like khelna kudna.
no.
Sarika, you
Still,
have quitted
I
fighting
used
with
to.
Anni
Yeah.
and you have quitted fighting with Anni.
Sir, still we are fighting. Whenever we talk, na, sometimes we fight to each other.
Okay.
Means it is
Uh,
very obvious.
Okay, one more question goes to you. Okay, we will leave this. Anyone rest? This is for rest of the guys. So, have you ever quitted anything in your life?
Well, I have quitted negative thinking in my life. Before some time, means sometimes I think something negatively, but I try to think positively. So this is the thing which I have quitted.
You
क्या
could
आप
use used to.
sorry
Used to,
जी
Sarika. Used to. Earlier, I used to
used
think
to
negative.
हाँ, earlier I used to think negatively, but nowadays I think positively.
okay sir I have to ask this question before
Okay.
somebody or it will go it will
Now,
do
Sarika will ask to somebody else.
before
Actually, I wanted to give you this use of third form
third form
simply.
okay
Sarika
because
asked.
now it comes to my mind. So, Sarika, please use before somebody. Like sir has asked, na? Before my Guruji.
No, no, you can change the object, but you will have to use third form.
Okay. Aparna Di, what have you quitted after your motherhood?
Nice question. Actually, Sarika, I have quitted so many things after motherhood, and it was very fascinating things which I would like to do in after motherhood, but I have quitted. But I am enjoying myself life after becoming mother. So I have no regrets to quitting all the things. Complete the
Complete the
process.
process, Sarika.
ओके दी आपने माँ बनने के बाद मीन्स अपने
मातृत्व के
मातृत्व के
पश्चात
बाद हाँ जी आपने अपने मातृत्व के बाद क्या छोड़ दिया
सारिका मैंने माँ बनने के बाद बहुत सारी चीजें जो मुझे बहुत लुभाती थी, जो बहुत ही ज्यादा आकर्षित करती थी, वो सारी चीजें मैंने छोड़ दी। पर मुझे कोई इसका पछतावा नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं अपनी मातृत्व जो है मैं उसको बहुत अच्छे से फील कर रही हूँ और उसको बहुत अच्छे से निभा रही हूँ, और वही मेरे लिए भी बहुत बहुत ही ज्यादा जॉयफुल है। ओके, रितु, सर सिर दुख रहा, आर यू हैविंग हेड? Ritu, what have you quitted? Um, after meeting your Jijaji.
Uh, well, Aparna, I have quitted laziness after meeting your Jijaji.
हाँ, जियाजी से मिलने के बाद तुमने क्या छोड़ दिया?
उनसे मिलने के बाद मैंने लेजीनेस छोड़ दी, आलसपन करना
छोड़ दिया है। हाँ,
छोड़ दिया है।
but you were not. I don't think you were lazy.
Never.
In fact, you are become more workaholic.
Yeah, you know very well.
हाँ,
But just answering.
तुमने जियाजी से मिलने के बाद क्या छोड़ दिया है?
जीजाजी से मिलने के बाद मैंने आलसपन छोड़ दिया है।
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, what have you quitted uh, before your teacher?
Before,
Before it will not do.
tell me Hindi.
सर आपने अपने टीचर के सामने क्या छोड़ दिया है?
Okay, okay, thank you. Uh, Actually, I have quitted so many things before my teacher because before being a teacher, I was not as regular, as sincere, as punctual. So I have adopted these things and I have quitted being irregular, non-sincere, being late. Is Hindi required?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's use this. Uh, I asked first question to Renu. Renu, is it quite is it quite right?
Yes, sir. It is quite right.
क्या ये एकदम सही है?
Yes, sir. ये एकदम सही है.
Focus the pronunciation on
Quite
quite.
right. Yeah. Okay. Sarika, is it quite right?
Yeah, Bhabhi, it is quite right.
सारिका, क्या यह एकदम सही है?
हाँ जी, ये एकदम सही है. Aparna Di, is it quite right?
Yes, Sarika. It is quite right.
दी, क्या ये एकदम सही है?
हाँ सारिका, ये बिल्कुल सही है. Ritu, is it quite right?
Yes, Aparna, it is quite right.
क्या यार बिल्कुल सही है?
हाँ, यह एकदम सही है. So, is it quite right?
No, it's quite wrong.
सर क्या ये सही है? क्या ये एकदम सही है?
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल गलत है. That only practice makes man perfect. Practice makes even a woman perfect. The next is Renu, can you remain calm in any situation? Any situation.
Yes, sir. I can remain calm in every situation.
क्या किसी भी स्थिति में शांत रह सकती है?
हाँ सर, मैं किसी भी स्थिति में शांत रह सकती हूँ.
You can change chapter and anything, subject, chapter, whatever you want.
Okay. Could your son remain calm after topping in his academic session?
To whom are you asking, Bhabhi?
Sarika.
Okay. After topping the academic
session, हाँ.
Okay. Actually, Bhabhi, he is very hyperactive, na? So whenever he got something, means he has achieved, yeah, he achieves something. So he cannot keep quiet. He cannot be calm. So he reacts immediately. Means whatever he reacts, na, positively or negatively, he is very expressive. So he reacts spontaneous. So he could not calm when he
come first. When he tops his academic session.
conversation, so he reacts spontaneous, and obviously he remain happy, and we all remain happy after his success.
ओके, क्या आपका बेटा उसकी क्लास में फर्स्ट आने के लिए शांत रह सकता था?
नहीं भाभी, मेरा बेटा क्लास में फर्स्ट आने के लिए शांत नहीं रह सकता था। वो बहुत एक्सप्रेसिव है और स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन देता है। कुछ भी हो तो फट से रिएक्ट करता है। ओके,
Just like
अपन
his bua.
he is so expressive. Okay. The where should we be? Where should be calm? Where should we be calm?
Well, Sarika, this is the matter of the situation. When something is being so seriously, and somewhere the place is where should be calm, and the it depends on simply on situation where we can be calm. So we should be calm over there.
दी, हमें कहाँ शांत रहना चाहिए?
सारिका, ऐसा है कि हमें हर परिस्थिति में, ऐसी परिस्थितियों में शांत रहना चाहिए जहाँ पे कि वो रिक्वायर है, जहाँ पे उसकी जरूरत है। ऐसी जगह पे शांत रहना चाहिए जहाँ पे उसकी जरूरत है। हर नाजुक स्थिति में, नाजुक सिचुएशन में, नाजुक प्लेस पे हमें शांत रहना चाहिए। ओके, रितु, have you been calm when the situation of your family of the situation, no, situation of your family was not pleasant?
Well, Aparna, I'm very hyperactive, so that time I lose my patience. So I can't remain calm that time.
Have you been calm in that situation?
Sometime I have been calm that situation, sometimes not. I'm
क्या
asking
हाँ, क्या तुम ऐसी अनप्लेजेंट परिस्थितियों में शांत रह, रही हो?
हाँ, मैं कभी कभी ऐसी अनप्लेजेंट परिस्थिति में शांत रही हूँ। Aparna, I'm asking you.
No, yeah, okay.
Okay. क्योंकि सर वो मुझे she know me very well that she can answer. Aparna, can you think in which situation I can calm?
Come
Calm
again,
is
Ritu.
adjective. True. Calm
Can
is
you
an adjective.
think in which situation I can be calm?
I know you very well, Ritu, so I can say you can be calm. Never. You cannot be calm. You cannot be calm.
Never is an adverb, Aparna.
So you cannot never be calm.
नॉट
You
और नेवर एक साथ लगाना गलत
You
है.
you never be calm.
so you can never be calm ऐसा होगा ना.
You can never be calm. हाँ.
अपर्णा, तुम क्या सोच सकती हो मैं किस परिस्थिति में शांत रह सकती हूँ?
तुम कभी शांत नहीं रह सकते, as I know you. जैसा कि मैं तुम्हें जानती हूँ.
माय गॉड, मेडिटेशन करना पड़ेगा आज से.
Ritu, who is sleepyhead?
सर एक्चुअली very honestly today I am very sleepy head.
जी प्लीज say slowly ना.
Oh,
You are very loud here.
okay, okay, okay.
Sorry, I took your name. I had to call Renu. Renu, who is sleepyhead in around you?
so my husband was sleepyhead yesterday.
आपके आसपास कौन आलसी बंदा है?
सर मेरे हस्बैंड पतिदेव कल आलसी थे, आलस में थे. हु इज स्लीपी हेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ in your family, Sarika, who is sleepyhead in your family between three of us the most?
Okay. My husband is sleepyhead.
Okay. आपके परिवार में आप तीनों में से कौन आलसी जीव है?
मेरे पतिदेव आलसी हैं. ओके अपर्णा दी, who is sleepyhead uh, around your surrounding?
नहीं, दोनों का एक साथ प्रयोग एक्शन नहीं.
अच्छा, who is sleepyhead around
नहीं,
yours?
who is sleepyhead in your surroundings?
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ, who is sleepyhead surrounding?
Actually, Sarika, a person who was not doing anything is sleepy.
साहित्यिक उत्तर नहीं देना है.
You have
Precise answer is required.
surrounding my next door name. अरे
मुन्नू,
the
पप्पू,
pandemic is
गुड्डू.
going on. हाँ, in the pandemic going on, so many peoples are
People में एस नहीं लगता. People is
people
plural.
is people is without work.
People are. People
Are
are.
people are people are without work. So I have seen one guy in front of my building. He is sleepy here.
ये आपके आसपास कौन आलसी है?
सारिका, एक्चुअली अभी पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, महामारी का क्या है, महामारी का के दौरान सभी लोग काम
दौर.
के बिना काम के रह रहे हैं. तो मैंने जो मेरे बिल्डिंग के सामने एक पर्सन रहता है, वो बहुत आलसी है, कुछ नहीं करता, वही आलसी है. इट इज नॉट वर्किंग. A
Write down
person
the next
that
sentence is
है.
conclude
हाँ.
it. Be future. Open your be future. And Sarika will tell me what was the last sentence. Ritu, you can also tell me if you
Yes,
will.
sir. डरो मत, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Don't be afraid, everything will be fine.
And the next sentence is एक काम करना. विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह। एक काम करना। विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह। कल मत आना। कल मत आना। विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन। कल मैं व्यस्त रहूंगा। एक काम करना। कल मत आना। कल मैं व्यस्त रहूंगा। Aparna, am I clearly audible?
Clearly audible, sir.
Neither loud nor low.
No, sir. Excellent voices, sir.
Can you tell me who made the last sentence yesterday?
Sarika made the last
Hmm.
sentence.
So, Ritu, would you like to make this sentence?
Yes, sir. I would like to make this
Please
sentence.
go ahead.
Um, this sentence belongs to be future. This is an affirm. This sentence has first part is काम करना. Mm, sir, can I make this sentence?
Ritu,
Do what?
actually, I give the chance to everybody one by one. You
Okay.
try your level best because making sentence is never
No.
important in this class.
Okay.
You try.
First part is future simple, and second part also of a future. Second part is the future tense in negative, and third part is be future. So firstly, I'll take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do, and then I'll take the one thing को क्या बोलेंगे? Do one thing. सर वन थिंग को क्या बोलेंगे नहीं बन रहा बस पास
Okay. Now,
Sir,
who
can
has
I
to?
make?
Now,
Sir, I
Sarika,
have.
you made yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Renu, Renu, it's your go. Who has to make this sentence?
So I have to make this sentence. This sentence is divided into three parts. First two parts is from order and request, and the third part is from be future. Firstly, I will take the first part of order and request, that is do one thing. Then I will put exclamatory mark. Thereafter, I will take the another part of order and request. That is don't come tomorrow. Thereafter, I will put exclamatory uh, exclamatory chin mark.
Sign.
Then I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Thereafter, I will take the main verb, that is will, and at the end I will take adjective or noun, that is will be. I will take will be, and that at the end I will take adjective or noun, and that is busy. And the full sentence is don't do one thing, don't come tomorrow, I will be busy.
Nicely done. Aparna, it's your go.
Yes, sir. So please ask the
Who
question.
has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence.
Please
And
go ahead.
this sentence is having three parts. First two parts belongs to order or request.
First part.
First part, okay. First part belongs to order or request. It is an affirmative sentence. Uh, Firstly, I will take the as a order or request sentence. I will take the verb, first form of verb, and the first form of a verb is do. Also, directly I will say
Ah, you
okay.
have forgotten whenever order request comes. No need to elaborate.
Okay, sir. First part of this sentence is belongs to affirmative sentence. It is an do one thing, and I will put the exclamatory sign. Later on, I will take the second order or request um, sentence. It is a negative sentence. Don't come, don't come, and I will put the exclamatory sign. Thereafter, I will take uh, thereafter I will take the last one sentence. It is an affirmative sentence. It belongs to be future. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is am. And the main verb is will be. Thereafter, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is busy. And the sentence is I will be busy. Don't do one thing. I don't come tomorrow. Okay, don't come tomorrow. I will be busy. And lastly, I
Very
will
good.
put the extension. Acha.
Now you can
I
mute
will
yourself.
have to put extension, and the extension is tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow.
ओके, दो बार टुमारो अच्छा लगेगा क्या दोस्तों?
नहीं लगेगा.
तो एक बार पर्याप्त है. हिंदी में दो बार अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ अपर्णा. थैंक यू. सारिका, इट्स योर गो.
Okay, sir. This sentence is having three parts, and two parts belong to order or request, and last one part belongs to be future. So firstly, I will take first order or request sentence. Do one thing, then I will put exclamatory sign here. Then I will take second order or request sentence. Don't come tomorrow. Then again I will put exclamatory sign. Later on I will take the third one sentence. It is sir हम तो वो okay. First order or request sentence is an affirmative sentence, and second one is a negative sentence. And lastly I will take the third one part, and it belongs to be future, and it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Later on I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is will. Thereafter I will take the main verb, and the main verb is be. Lastly I will take the adjective or noun, and adjective or noun is busy. Then I will put full stop. So sentence is do one thing, don't come tomorrow, I will be busy.
It was absolutely correct description, ladies. Let me start with Renu. Excuse me, ma'am, can I come to you tomorrow?
Yes. Sir, should I say yes? No. Okay. No, no. I'm busy. Do one thing. Okay. Okay. Uh, no. Do one thing. Don't come tomorrow. I will be busy.
Thank you, madam. Can I come day after?
Yes, yes. Definitely you can come.
ऐसा ही बोलते हैं, खाली इतना बस बोलते हैं डे आफ्टर, पूरा हो जाए. हैव यू हर्ड?
Yes, sir.
वो पूरा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, डे आफ्टर टुमारो.
Okay.
तो आप पूरा इसी का अभ्यास कर लो अगर चाहो तो, एज इट इज.
Okay, Sarika. Um, okay. Ma'am, can I come to you tomorrow?
Well, actually, do one thing. Don't come tomorrow. I will be busy.
Okay. Can I day after tomorrow?
Yeah, definitely. You can come day after tomorrow. Okay, Aparna Di, uh, can you come to you tomorrow? Oh,
Sorry, come again.
will I? Can can I come to you tomorrow?
Uh, Sarika, no, Sarika, you don't do one thing. Don't come tomorrow. I will be busy. Little bit.
Okay. So can I come day after?
Yes, you can. Ritu, can I come to you tomorrow?
Do one thing, Aparna. Don't come tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow. I will be busy.
So, can I come today?
Yes, yes, you can.
Okay, I am coming.
Okay. Can I come to you tomorrow, sir?
Yes, of course. Why not, Ketu? No, no, no. Just a minute. Let me check. Okay, I have an appointment with Katrina. Do one thing. Don't come tomorrow. I'll be busy.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Guys, you need more creativity, and now you should focus creativity. Do not take any sentence personally at all. Just think, Miss Sky is the limit. Okay. Okay. What is the time? 1:41. Uh, so, ladies, beautiful ladies, what should I give you next? Sentence or interactive idiom?
Sir, you should
As
declare
you wish.
no.
In head,
Yes, 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 yes.
Renu Bhabhi is impatient, huh? To listen her result.
मच इम्पेशेंट वो सैटरडे संडे कैसे गया होगा सोचो मंडे के चक्कर में इंतजार में दुबले हो गए 1 किलो वजन कम हो गया
Well, Renu uh, shared her hubby's daily routine. Have you heard hubby word? Yes. Renu used one nice word you must be knowing, but I'm writing it. Uh, oh, I'm not writing, it will be coming on the screen and you can write it down. She used although. She used although. ELTHOUGH. Although. यद्यपि, हालांकि. Very nicely, beautifully. You can write it down later on, we will practice. Uh, she used a couple of idioms nicely, beautifully, like simple living, high thinking, sada jeevanach vichar. She used one word which I have not given you, that her husband is a man of word. Man of word. Man of word. जुबान के पक्के. Simultaneously, you can write it down. It is coming on the screen. Man of word. He's a man of word. Sarika's father was a man of word. सारिका के पापा जी जुबान के पक्के थे. She used can wherever it was needed. She used can wherever it was needed. उन्होंने can का जहां भी प्रयोग जरूरी था, आवश्यक था, किया. She used destiny word nicely and correctly. Destiny. प्रारब्ध. और इजी हिंदी किस्मत, भाग्य. She used what all very beautifully, nicely. What all will you take? और आप क्या क्या लेना लेंगे? Sometimes you were a little bit mistaken, Renu. Like then he go up instead of goes up. Then he comes down. Comes down was correct. Talk and walk was very nice phrase. And it used to be the add of idea. Walk when you talk. Idea. Because in metro cities, people are getting fat. So they have given this ad. Walk when you talk. She used occasionally word very nicely. Kabhi kabhar. She used either. The pronunciation is either. 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 It was nicely used. She used one nice word which I have not given you. It is a verb. Segregate. 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 Yeah. Segregate. Means चीजों को अलग अलग रखना, जमाना.
अलग अलग.
You can write it down. I'll give you in detail later. Or you can, any one of you just in WhatsApp, firstly you can confirm a particular Hindi, precise Hindi, then write it down like I give. चीजों को अलग
सर
अलग.
अलग अलग करना है, segregated.
So please, Sarika, do it in a proper manner in WhatsApp, like I give here. तो ये क्रिया में शामिल हो जाएगी सारिका, तो फिर जब वर्ब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगे तो किसी ना किसी के ऊपर आएगी, so it will be good. Renu, you said then he does worship. It was correct sentence, but here you could say, अभी हम जो बोलने जा रहे हैं वो अभी हम सबसे बुलवाएंगे भी. Later on he performs his puja. Renu, speak.
सर प्रेयर भी बोल सकते हैं ना? प्रेयर.
Later on, he performed his puja. Sarika.
Later on, he performs his puja. Aparna di.
Later on, he performs his puja. Ritu?
Later on, he performs his puja.
Sir,
Ritu,
S will
पूजा
come.
हाँ
Performs S. S is there. Okay.
Perform.
रितु
Or
प्रेयर
directly we
शब्द
can say
में जो है वो क्रिश्चियनिटी का आभास होता है। पूजा शब्द में हमारे बिल्कुल भारतीयता एकदम अच्छी वैसी भाव ही आ जाता है ना। अपर्णा, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग।
we can directly say now after that he worships.
हाँ, you can say, but you have to choose. Now it is your choice. I have given you options. She used one very nice technical word which is used in business: recovery development. You can say पैसा वसूली, recovery development. Then he orders to the staff for the recovery development. भाई जहाँ जहाँ से पैसे लेना है जाओ लेकर आओ, like this. Renu, you used blend word. What exactly blend?
सर ब्लैंड मीन्स मतलब कि बहुत जिसका कोई स्वाद ना हो, ब्लैंड है मतलब सादा,
Tasteless.
टेस्टलेस. हाँ.
Tasteless.
You can write it down and रितु इसको जरा व्हाट्सएप कर देना, सीधे गूगल से निकाल के करना रितु. Thank you.
Yes.
In one sentence, दोस्तों हम I have seen one thing. While you speak, you cannot use the particular miss specific words. But in speech, you put it precisely. Like she used, he remains. Uh, she used one sentence somewhere, he remains, and blah blah blah. I do not write complete sentences. I cannot write.
So he remains busy.
He remains busy. It was nice sentence. And she used compliment as a verb somewhere. He compliments. What was the sentence? Do you remember, Renu?
Yes, sir. Sir, he is a big foodie, and he compliments if he finds that a particular dish tasty, and either in reverse case he comment also if he finds that dish.
Okay, it was
Yeah.
nice. Uh, दोस्तों हमने आपको ट्वाइस थ्राइस लिखवाया है कहीं?
Yes, sir. Twice, thrice, and 4
Yes,
times.
sir.
तो रेनू इसमें इन नहीं लगता है. हम ऐसे ही, हमें पूरा सेंटेंस याद नहीं है. ही गोज टू काली मंदिर थ्राइस अ वीक.
Thrice a
इन अ
week.
वीक नहीं होगा, थ्राइस अ वीक.
Thrice a week. Okay.
कभी डॉक्टर से सुना है ट्वाइस अ डे, वंस अ डे? वही. तो
Sir,
इसमें इन.
I have gone through one sentence. उसमें था कि he fetches the vegetable thrice a week. So earlier I was not knowing that word. Earlier, otherwise I would have added in my speech. So, but now I come to know कि instead of he goes and brings, I should use he fetches the vegetable from the market.
Sir has given this verb, chakar lana.
Fetch.
But I have come to yeah.
So it is all about your minus points and plus points, and you have really done hard work. You were sincere about it. यहाँ हम sincere का मतलब ईमानदारी से लेते हैं दोस्तों. As I have already told you, कि in this class regularity, punctuality and sincerity, these things are required for getting the success. तो यहाँ हमने sincere का मतलब ईमानदारी से लिया है. And this sincerity belongs to you. Means ईमानदारी, generally we think ईमानदारी is related to money only. But this sincerity belongs to your character. कि आप अपने प्रति कितने ईमानदार हैं. So as everybody knows, Renu is so sincere about herself. Means whatever. Especially, I don't know about the other things, but about this class, she is very much sincere. So she has done a lot of work. Uh, and have you, Renu, I would like to ask, have you written somewhere all the things? No.
Sir, firstly I write, then I like speak, and I make my voice message recorded, and then what I do, I just keep on listening my voice, so that I collect all the information whatever I have written. So I don't have that time to read again, but I just do that. So 15 days I have made that practice into for speaking in front of you. So I keep on listening that during I make my do my household chores. So that brings, actually sir, what I have written I will send you is different, but what comes out of my mind at that time is different. So my husband also, he earlier he listened what I have written. So I have gone through that all that whatever I have written. So he said ki your written one is different. Well, I don't know. So it all comes to my mind, and I was keep on speaking whatever comes to me. So it is like that.
ये जो ब्रह्म ज्ञान है, ये करके ही आता है. और बैक स्क्रीन शायद रोशनी जुड़ी हुई है, वो कभी भी किसी भी बैच में प्रकट होती है, बट म्यूट रहती है. तो हम चाह रहे थे कि रोशनी भी इस चीज को सुने कि हाउ हार्ड वर्क एंड पैशन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट सच सक्सेस. I don't know she is here or not, but she joined.
She's not. Right now she is not. Earlier she was there, but right now she is not here.
Okay.
But sir, frankly speaking, it is not that easy. We have to be into that, and we have to practice. Otherwise, we cannot speak so fluently. And what words, matlab, I was myself, I was surprised कि what words I have written is not in my speech. So what I was practicing is different, and what comes out of my mind is different. So this comes all. Matlab this happens, and it takes time. So delivering one speech is not that easy. So it takes time, and we should take time, then only it will come good. it it's my experience.
Thank you. But later you will feel, ladies, uh, fourth, fifth, or sixth speech, you will take less time, and you can create here only. It will automatically come if you are as sincere. But I must say one thing to Aparna. Aparna, it should not be based on the feelings. When you become emotional, so the things are different. So focus the only chapter, and grammar. Don't add emotions. So it will be good. In sixth or seventh speech, you can share your emotions, because not that one. I must say one more thing. After finishing this regular batch, ladies, if you join pattern batch, special batch, there you will find the chapters in which you can express your emotions without any hesitation. because by the time you will get so many useful things so that you can explain yourself in a better manner. Right now you are lacking some chapters, some pocket, so sometimes you are tied up. Have I given you this interactive sentence, Sarika?
Yes,
He
sir.
is tied up.
He is tied up.
You are title.
Acha, have I given you one more interactive sentence? I'm fed up.
Yes, sir. I'm fed up.
Okay. मैं तंग आ गया हूँ. Fed up.
Yes, sir.
Given.
No, sir, you haven't given I am fed up. He is tied up, you
Fed,
have given. है ना दी?
fed up.
I am
I'm
fed
fed
up.
up. I have heard, but I fed up.
I have already heard, that's why I said. But in this batch, sir hasn't given.
Sir has not given.
Let's play simple round and conclude the class. Renu, who is fed up?
So my husband is fed up for
Okay. What
for
preposition should come here, दोस्तों?
Sir,
off.
off.
Okay. So, Renu, my second question. What is your hubby fed up of?
So my husband is fed up of
He.
have,
Pronoun लगाओ ना रेनू.
he is fed up of having shake in the evening.
वो किस चीज से तंग आ गए?
वो सर शेक पी पी के तंग आ गए हैं.
Ask two questions to somebody.
Okay, Sarika, who is fed up?
Bhabhi, all Mumbaikars are fed up.
Okay, why they are fed up of?
Bhabhi, they are fed up of because of lockdown. Still is
वो क्यों
going on in Mumbai, na?
वो
Sarika, do not use double preposition. Because of अलग है और of अलग है.
Okay.
वो क्यों
Fed up of lockdown.
वो क्यों तंग आ गए हैं?
वो लॉकडाउन के कारण तंग आ गए हैं भाभी. Aparna दी, who is fed up?
Sarika, opposition party is fed up.
Why opposition party ना दी कि parties?
Party. Party, only party.
Party. Only party. Okay. Why is it fed up of?
Uh, they are fed up of.
Why of नहीं लगेगा Sarika. Why is it fed up? Why are they fed up? बोलो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Why are they fed up?
Okay. Why are they fed up दी?
Actually, I took a party. That's why she is taking it.
It.
They
ये तो use कर
actually
सकते हैं. We can use they.
okay. They are fed up of Modi ji's goodness.
जी वे क्यों परेशान हो गए? वे क्यों तंग आ गए हैं?
मोदी जी की अच्छाइयों से तंग आ गए. Who is fed up, Ritu?
Well, Aparna, my son Kshitij is very fed up.
Why is he fed up of?
Uh,
Why is
he's fed up. He's fed up because his offline exams round the corner. He's fed up of because his exams are round the corner.
कौन तंग कौन तंग आ गया है?
अपर्णा, मेरा बेटा क्षितिज तंग आ गया है।
किससे तंग आ गया है?
वो तंग आ गया है क्योंकि उसके फाइनल एग्जाम बिल्कुल पास है।
किससे तंग आ गया?
ऑफलाइन ऑफलाइन एग्जाम से बिल्कुल सर पर है, इसलिए तंग आ गया है।
Nice use of
Who is
ask me.
fed up of
Come again, please.
who is fed up of sorry, who is fed up?
Uh, the public is fed up.
Sir, why they are fed off?
WH के बाद helping word.
Why they are fed up? Fed off?
Y के बाद क्या
Why,
लगाओगी बेटा?
why are they fed off?
They are fed up of inflation. Complete the process.
सर वे क्यों तंग आ गए हैं?
वे महंगाई के कारण तंग आ गए हैं। वे महंगाई से तंग आ चुके हैं। इन्फ्लेशन। अब दोस्तों हम इस तरह की चीजें देते हैं। हमने आपको ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन का प्रयोग सिखाया, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली कुछ चीजें जब बदलती हैं तो वो आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए। आपके सामने कोई ऐसी चीज आती है जो भिन्न है हमारे बताने से, तो आप शेयर करें, जैसे हम एक शेयर कर रहे हैं। ऋतु, इसको पढ़ना, ये जो पिक्चर केयर्स के नीचे लिखा है, कैन यू सी?
नो सर, आई कांट सी। केयर्स के नीचे का मुझे नहीं दिख रहा सर।
सर, इट इज ब्लर।
ब्लर हो रहा है।
नो नो
नो
ओके,
सर, नो।
आपको पढ़ के सुना देते हैं, इसकी पिक्चर भेज देंगे। People are fed up with polls. Can you understand?
यस सर। लोग जो है नहीं, पोल्स।
POLLS।
सर मतदान से?
हाँ, लोग मतदान से तंग आ गए हैं।
चुनावों से, एक्चुअली द मीनिंग इज चुनावों से। लोग चुनावों से तंग आ गए हैं। आई विल सेंड यू दिस पिक्चर। So here
we can use price hike instead of inflammation.
I think I have given you 4 words, no? Price rise, price hike, inflation, and dearness.
No, sir, you haven't given.
Okay, I'll give, remind me. Price rise, price hike, inflation, मुद्रास्फीति, and dearness.
You have said once. Once you have said.
Yes. Price rise, price hike, inflation, dearness. Do you remember, Sarika? TA, DA. TADA words are
Yes, sir.
used by
TADA.
government servants so much. They are
Papa
very
ji.
happy.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
TADA.
Sir,
Yeah,
my father
TADA.
gets
TA, full form TA,
TA means travel allowance, or DA
traveling
means
allowance. Traveling allowance.
daily. हाँ, traveling allowance, and DA means daily basis allowance शायद।
डेली
DA is
Dearness allowance. Dearness allowance.
dearness allowance. Sir, government is not
Yes, Renu.
rising.
Renu, speak again.
Sir, government is not rising dearness allowance for last 2 years, because that is the contribution from the service class people. So they are contributing. There is no hike of payments either on the service that active or non-active workers. So my mother is a pensioner. That's why I come to know this.
So, guys, let's take a leave. Thank you for joining. God
Thank you,
bless.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.